Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issue if your Honor Choice XBAR X5 is not pairing and how you can fix the connection issues. So what you can do is like really simple. If you can pair, we need to do factory reset. So first put your both earbuds back to the case you want to hear the click, close the case. Now you want to open the case and you want to take both out. And then what you want to do is you want to hold the touch buttons for 10 seconds on both together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, let's say. Now, when you're gonna put them back in, and now they should be reset. You can try this multiple times for like 10 to 15 seconds, but this is a standard procedure on resetting these earbuds. So you're gonna close the earbuds, you're gonna open again, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're gonna have a great day, and goodbye.